MD SRC, MD classes, CD SRC. So MD SRC means SRC folder created. MD classes means classes folder created. CD SRC means change directory. We entered into SRC. Now here I am writing a.java class. See, start notepad a.java. Then it will ask, cannot find the a.java file. Do you want to create a new file? Yes. Now here I'll write program. Now don't write. I'll give you time for writing. Class A. In this one method, void add, which takes int A, int B. System.out.println A plus B. Now, this method, what is the access modifier present here? No name. For this class, which access modifier present? No name. Now, here, this class, in which package we required? Which package required in see the diagram? Pack1. So, pack1 diagram. So, package pack1, we have to write. If you write like this, pack1 package created, A class created, add method called. But this method I want to call in another package, test package. Then which access modifier required here? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. For calling this method, how many ways? What are those? Which class object required? For creating object, this class also should be accessible. That's what it is also public. Okay, write this one. Now, pack1 is a package which contains one class, that is A class, which contains one method, add method. Over? No. It is a public method. It is a public method. You can access anywhere, no restrictions. It is a public class. You can access anywhere, no restriction. But if you want to access, you need to import the package, you need to create object, you need to call like that. But if I compile this program, what is generated by Java compiler? Give me answer. You see the notes yesterday, I given notes. One dot class file generated. Only dot class file generated. One folder also generated. What is the folder name? Pack1. So if I compile this program, Pack1 folder created, A dot class generated. So one package equivalent to one folder, one class equivalent to one file. Okay. If I compile this program, Pack1 folder created, A dot class generated. Now file save. I'll close. Here we should not compile like this. It is another way. I'll show you. Don't write. Java C A dot Java. If I write here, what will happen? A dot class generated, Pack1 folder generated, here only generated, but actually not required here. Where it is required? Classes folder required. That is the reason Java C minus D. It omits current directory. That means we are working in which folder? SRC. That is omitted. Once if it is omitted, you need to show destination. Where is destination? Classes. Then a.java. Let us see out right. Then what will be happen is a.class generated. Pack1 folder generated in classes folder. If I compile like this, see, if I write like this, what will happen? Just you see. Now I'll open, you observe, C drive, SRC. Here just a.java. Okay. Back classes. Here pack1. A.class. See, .java in SRC folder, .class in classes folder, pack1 created in that A.class created. So we have to compile like this. Note down. It omits current directory. Nothing but folder. It is destination directory. It omits current directory. It is destination directory. So Java C space minus D. If you write current directory omitted, we are working in SRC folder. It omits current directory. Space destination. It is destination directory folder. So a.java compiled, a.class generated under pack1 folder. That is generated in this folder. Okay. If we don't write this one, it is generated here only. Now we record destination other location. In this situation, you have to write like this. Okay. Now, same style. Next, start notepad b.java. Write this line also. Start notepad b.java. Start notepad b.java. Now here, which package? B class. See, pack 1 sub package that is in pack1. So package pack1 dot pack11. It is sub package. Pack11 is sub package of pack1. Then public class A, class B. Here one method I'll write. Public void cube, which will take one integer. System dot out dot println A into A into A. Node. Write this program. If I compile this program, what is generated? pack11 folder generated, p.class generated. This is already present. That's what it is not generated. If not there, that is also generated. It is already present. That's what it won't generate. If not there, this folder generated, in that folder, two folder generated like that. File, save, close. Here, how to compile? Java C -d C:\classes p.java. Right, this one. Next, start notepad c.java. Java C space -d space C drive classes b.java. After that, start notepad c.java. Completed? Now, which package now? Package pack2. Public class C. One more method. Public void max, which will take two integers. If A greater than B, system.out.println A, else system.out.println B. Note? File, save. If I compile pack2 generated, C.class generated. Is it over? Java C -d C:\classes C.java. Next, start notepad main.java. Start notepad main.java. Over? No. Here, class, don't write, class main Here I'll write main method. Now I want to call add method. Add method in which class? A class. A class in which package? Pack1. So import pack1 dot star. What is the meaning of star? All classes, all interfaces. Now A class object I'll create. A equal to new A. With this A, add method. B class in which package? Pack1 dot pack11 dot star. In this star, this package not included. Star meaning only classes and interfaces. Sub package not included in star. Okay. The star indicates only classes and interfaces. Sub package not included. That's what this line also you have to write. Now B equal to new B. B dot cube. C class purpose. Import pack2 dot star. Okay. Then C class. C equal to new C. C dot max, 2 numbers. Now this main class in which package required? Test package. So package test. Now this one public not required because this one we are not accessing other program. Those programs we are accessing here. That's what not required. Write this one. Is it over? File, save. Say test package. In the test package main class, main method. Here for accessing A class, pack1 imported. For accessing B class, pack11 imported. For accessing C class, pack2 imported. Okay. File, save. Now give me answer what we have to write. Java C minus D Java C first minus Java C compilation purpose Java C compulsory. Minus D required or not required? Required or not required? Required. If it is in SRC, we don't required. Now minus D required or not required? Required. Next. C colon slash nothing. Is it required test? No. Test is a package. It is automatically generated. In the diagram, main dot class where it is, you see test package. Test is automatically generated. Test package where it is C drive. That's what C drive only or right. Okay. But if we compile, errors comes. You observe 9 errors comes. See 9 errors. Reason. What is the reason? You see package pack1 does not exist. It exists, but not in C drive. Where it is classes. It doesn't know. It is not in SRC. It is search in SRC only. It is search in SRC. SRC not there. That's what error. Pack1 does not exist. Pack11 does not exist. Pack2 does not exist. A class does not exist. Constructor does not exist. Like this, total 9 errors. Okay. Then what we have to do, we have to set the class path. This is we have tried. Set class path equal to percentile class path percentile double quotes dot semicolon C colon slash classes. If you write like this, what will happen? Java compiler, it will search for classes in this file, in this folder. So this line, if you write, then it will search in classes folder. I'll explain. Now you observe. Compile no? Now, here what will be happen if we don't write this line? If we don't write this line, it will search for packages, it will search for classes, it will search for methods in SRC folder. If you write this line, it will search in classes folder. But it is a command. This is append mode. Append mode means suppose in your system maybe some other class path settings will be there. Those class path setting, this class path appended. If we don't write this one also works. But in future, one application may require more than one class path. In that situation, this is best option. Now, what you do is 1 minute wait, don't write. Java C minus D main.java. Main.java compiled, test folder created in C drive. And now if you want to run, you should not run here. Where is dot class file? C drive. So cd slash, it comes to C drive. Here, in a test package, main class is there. If the class is in a package, while running the Java program, package name dot class name you have to write. But you should not enter into test folder. If you write, error comes. That is not a normal folder. That is generated by Java compiler. So if you run like this, it works. Now I'll explain. First this line. In this line, it is called command. Here, it is a command and it is used to set the class path. See, we are accessing A class, B class, C class. For that path, that is called class path. It is a command and it is used to set the class path. Where these classes in classes folder. That purpose we are right. This is nothing but append mode. Append mode. So if you write like this, what will happen? If you write like this, what will happen is in future, in your application may require more than one class path. In that situation, it is appended. This one, it contains classes. It contains package and classes. So here, this set class path you have to write. With this class path, this set class path command only, we can set the class path. This is append mode. Present, if you don't write, this one also works. But in future, more than one class path required for one application. In that situation, this is compulsory you have to write. Now, if you write also, nothing will happen. Already existed class path, if it is present in your system, for that it is appended. If you don't write this one, it will override. It will override means this will work, other will not work. That is the reason this is will write. This is location where your classes in classes folder. If you write like this, what will happen? Whenever you compile this one, now it will search for classes and package in classes folder. If you don't write this one, it will search for classes and package in SRC folder. That is the reason this line required. Then successfully compiled. But wherever dot class is there, there only can run. Other location you cannot run. So here, that's what CD/, it comes to root. Then I am running Java. But here, test is a package name. It is not a normal folder. That's what CD test should not write. Java test.main. Previous program Java demo we written. Previously we didn't write packages. If the class is under package name dot class name you have to write. Then it will execute. Write this one. These all lines write it complete. So it is used to set the class path. Class path nothing but to access the classes path. Classes are available in classes folder. That is the reason we have to set. If you don't write this line, it is searched in SRC folder. That's what this line required. It is append mode. If already existed class paths are there, this class path appended to that. If you don't write this one, it will override. Then this class path works. Existed class path doesn't work. If any other required, that's what always writing this is better. This one contains package and classes location. Is it over? Now you observe, suppose if I enter CD test, say CD test, here if I write Java main, error comes. Okay, because main class in test package, you should not enter into test. It is an error. Okay. So that is the reason package name dot class name. If the class is under package, then package name dot class name you have to write. Is it over? See, you observe whatever I given yesterday diagram, according to the diagram, SRC here. SRC folder. In SRC folder, A.java, B.java, C.java, main.java. See all Java files. Okay. Next, classes. See, pack1 folder, pack2 folder. In pack1, A.class, pack11. B.class. Pack2, C.class. Okay. Now, test. Say test, main class. Main class. Now I'll ask some questions, give me answer. This is no need to write, just give answer. I did demo class. Public static void main. String asks. How to accept data dynamically from keyboard? Scanner class. What do you write? Scanner is equal to new scanner. System.in. But this line till I didn't explain. Okay. For this class, import java.util.star. So this class is available in java.util package. Okay. In a util sub package, this is there. That is we are writing. Next, system.out.print. Enter any number. Integer x equal to s dot next 10. Now, this cube I want to calculate. Cube method in which class? B class. B class in which package? Pack11. What we have to write? Import pack1 dot pack11 dot star. Now, is it instance method or class method? Instance method. What do you have to do? B equal to new B. Next, B dot cube of x. Let's will write. Okay. Now, so like this will write. Now logic no need to write here. Cube logic no need to write. Like this, we have two numbers. Integer a equal to 10, b equal to 20. These two I want to add. Add method in which class? A class. A class in which package? Then what you have to do? Next, outright A, OB equal to new A. Next, A comma B. No need to write logic. Logic is already present. Suppose I want to find the maximum of these two numbers. What we have to write? Import pack1, pack2 dot star. Now C equal to new C. Next, C dot max A comma B. Okay, like this. Now, one array is there. These elements I want to sort. Now, logic no need to write. Sort method already developed. The method name I'll show you. Method I'll show you. The method in which class also I'll give you. That class in which package also I'll give. Then can you write program or not? Possible? No? Now, here my task is I want to sort these elements. Sorting logic no need to write. Sort method already prepared, predefined. That method in which class I'll give. That class in which package I'll give. If I give that information, can you write program or not? Yes. Now, finding maximum of these 5 elements. Finding maximum of these 5 elements. Method name I'll give. The method in which class I'll give. The class in which package also I'll give. Then you can write program. That is only Java. So further like this only. Now, no need to write any logic, already present. Now, just now you have seen how many packages we created in that program? 3. Pack 1, pack 2, test 3. One sub package we created. Pack 1. How many classes? A class, B class, C class, main class. In each class, one method. A class which method? Add method. B class which method? Q method. C class which method? Max. Main class which method? Main. These all we created. There are only 4 classes, 4 packages, 4 methods. You can remember. But Java library already predefined. How many packages are there in Java library? I'll show you. Just you observe. Present not required. Just I'll show you. Java API documentation. Latest version 20. If you type first link overview, oracle.com website, here Java Platform Standard Edition and Java Development Kit version 20. In the 20 version, modules are there. These are packages also placed in modules. Now, like this, how many modules are there? See, these many modules are there. In that modules, first module, java.base. If you click, in this module, packages are there. Packages. So packages also grouped together as a one module. One modules, packages. In first module, how many packages are there? See? Okay. Now, java.lang. This at present, you know only this package, java.lang. I'll click. One more java.util. 2 package names you know. Lang. In the lang package, how many classes, how many interfaces are there? See? All classes and all interfaces. How many are there? See? Okay. Now, the scroll bar here only still you observe. Now, suppose string class. String class. If I click in string class, here construct fields, nothing but variables. Constructors. How many constructors are there? See? All methods. How many methods are there? See? It is one class. Just you observe where is scroll bar. Where is scroll bar you observe. Still at the top only. Still here only you observe. Can you remember? Can you remember this all? One class also you cannot remember. One class also you cannot remember. Hundreds of packages are there. Thousands of classes are there. Lakhs of methods are there. This total nearly 20 GB it will occupy. Okay. That much library is there. Okay. So Java library, very vast. Every day they are updating. So in the Java library, hundreds of packages are there, thousands of classes are there, lakhs of methods are there in Java library. Okay. Now only package names also you cannot remember. Those many packages are there. One class you observe, it is only string class. In string class only, how many methods are there? See. So one class. One class, in a one string class only, 17 constructors are there. 17 constructors are there. 100 plus methods are there. Some classes, 500 plus methods are there. 1000 methods also are there. Those all, can you remember? No one can remember. Okay. Programmer also cannot remember. Faculty also cannot remember. Student also cannot remember. James Gosling also cannot remember. James Gosling also one person only, no? So no one can remember. Okay. But what you have to do is how to use Java library, you have to learn. These all learning not possible. If you learn 20-25 years, it will take. That much library is there. Okay. That total library, if you want to learn, one Java, one string class only, if you want to learn, minimum 10 days required. Only one class. Like that, in core Java library, nearly 7,000-8,000 classes are there. Only core Java library. So, if you learn each and everything, 25-30 years it will take. That much time required. So, here, what you have to learn is how to use Java library. You have to learn. That is, I'm going to explain with next topic. How to use Java library. Now, suppose for example, our task is sorting array elements. Then, where is sort method? Sort method will be there. Sort method in which class? That class in which package? That is, you cannot search now. For that, some knowledge required. Okay. That means core Java should be completed. Then you can search. Now, as a beginner, which method required you cannot identify. That method in which class you cannot identify. That class in which package you cannot identify. That's what I'll do. Task I'll give. Which class required I'll give. Which method required I'll give. Which package required I'll give. Then can you write program or not? Possible, no? That is present required. After completion of core Java, then that knowledge comes. Which method required, which class required, how to search. Searching possible here. You can search. This searching not easy. But Google searching better, no? Possible, no? No. In Google you can search. If you search in Google also, that will be redirected here only. In Google, what you'll write, sentence type will write. Here methods you have to write. Like that. Here searching different, there searching different. Suppose, if I teach here 100 programs also, after getting a job, one more comes. They'll give one more task. Will you get it in my notes? No. Then what do you have to do? You have to search. Searching compulsory. Searching knowledge is also required. After getting a job, suppose team leader will give one task. Then what do you have to do? You have to search. Which method required? Search. Which class required? Search. Which package required? Search. Then write the program. Writing program easy. Searching only takes time. Okay. Searching only takes time. Sometimes searching only 1 hour it will take. Writing program in 5 minutes it will complete. You will import the package, you will create the object, you will call the method over. But which method required, which class required, which package required? Searching only takes time. Okay. Now, searching only it takes time, but compulsory you have to search. Everyone will use this documentation. Without documentation, writing programs are not possible in Java. Compulsory. Everyone. Say, if it is calculating factorial program, square root program, Armstrong number, strong number, perfect number, these all possible. But I want to send data Hyderabad to US. Can you write any logic? You have to do library. Compulsory. Okay. The searching knowledge required. Everyone will search. Whether right or wrong, you check it out. Those are working in a software company. Are they using Google or not? You ask them. Every day they'll use Google. Okay. Your friends, relatives will be there, no? After getting a job, are they using Google or not? You ask them. Every day Google required. Okay. Once if the Google is closed, software company is also closed. That's it. Okay. No one can write program like that. So after getting a job, if they give a task, for that task, which package required, which class required, which method required, yourself you have to search. After searching, you have to write math program. Present, how to use Java library, you are going to learn. That is, I'm going to explain. Okay. With that knowledge, later if they give any task, you can do it. That is possible. But how to use Java library, that purpose only these many days you learn. That purpose only these many days you learn. So first class to up to package topic, whatever you learn, with this knowledge, you can search. We can use Java library. After that topic, error handling, exception handling. With that language will finish. Then application development. Then which package required, which class required, you have to search, you have to write programs. Like that. Okay. How to use Java library. That purpose only. That purpose on topic. See. Still these many topics are there. Now you are going to learn string handling. Wrapper classes. Next, exception handling. So with this topic, you will understand how to use Java library. With this topic, how to handle runtime errors. Whatever you have seen, compile time errors all. One more concept comes, runtime error also. That is, okay. Further, what will happen while asking NASCAM exam or screening test exam, they'll give one code snippet. They'll option A, compile time error. Option B, runtime error also appears. Not only error. Previous all error, nothing but compile time error. But from this topic onwards, runtime error also started. Whether it is compile time error, runtime error also you have to identify. That knowledge is also required. Okay. They'll give code snippet. If I compile and execute, what will be happen? Option A, compile time error. Option B, runtime error. Option C, some output. Option D, some other output. Like that they'll give. Okay. Once if the exception handling is completed, they can develop applications like stream programs, serialization. These all possible. Network programming. These all very quickly can learn. Possible. Okay. Collections framework. Generics. Multi-threading. Synchronization. New features. From JDK 1.1 to JDK 20. See, these all left. These all very quickly can learn, possible. Okay. Whatever you studied, almost 60 to 65% completed. This is just 35%. Okay. It is very quickly you can learn these all. So string handling, wrapper classes, with these two topics, you will understand how to use Java library. With this exception handling, runtime error handling mechanism, you will understand. From year onwards, applications. From year onwards up to year applications, year new features. Advanced Java, complete new complete application only. No language, application. Now, for learning advanced Java, up to exception handling required. Okay. This is 2-3 classes it will take. This is 1 class it will take. This is 4-5 classes it will take. So new advanced Java batch is going to start on 14th 9 o'clock. If timing is suitable, you can continue, because up to exception handling required. So almost exception handling reached. That's what parallelly you can attend new advanced Java batch on 14th 9 o'clock. If timing is suitable, you can continue. My batch only. Okay. Morning 9 o'clock on 14th. My class only. My class only on 14th 9 o'clock, new advanced Java batch start, new batch. But up to exception handling knowledge required. Up to exception handling knowledge required, and starting 3-4 days theory will be there. Up to that it will finish. Up to that it will finish, so you can understand. No need to wait for new batch, next batch. You can continue. If timing is not possible, wait. If 9 o'clock, if it is not possible, wait for next batch. Okay. Now, string handling. Next node. Next batch means again 1 month it will take. Yeah, you can attend. Timings, they won't change. 9 o'clock. I didn't get you. You can, not a problem. So these topics and advanced Java parallelly you can learn, not a problem. No need to wait until completion of core Java. Up to exception handling knowledge only required. These are applications. Advanced Java also application. Any application you can develop. For this one, order not required. From year onwards, order not required. Any order you can learn. Different applications. For all application, already starting one example I given. Language and topics. 5 topics. For 5 topics, what is required? English required. That English completed means any topic you can learn. Like that. So, after exception handling, it is equivalent to topics. Any topic you can learn. Language is same. Language English only. Your language Java only. Any application you can build. One example like you know, before up to exception handling, after exception handling. Like that. So, these topics and advanced Java parallelly you can learn. It is possible. No need to worry about that. You can learn. It is possible. Okay. If 9 o'clock timing is not suitable, wait for next batch. Next batch, minimum 20 days gap will be there. Minimum. Timings, that is not decided now. That later they'll decide. Advanced Java very quickly can learn. Advanced Java very quickly can learn. Advanced Java quickly can learn. Core Java only takes time. but core Java only important. Advanced Java, exact, including holidays, all this 2.5 months. 2.5 months it will finish. Possible. Advanced Java very quickly you can learn. Including Sundays, holidays, everything, 2.5 months you can learn. Any doubts are there? Next topic, string handling. Next topic, string handling. If timing is possible, you attend morning 9 o'clock. If timing is not possible, wait for next batch. Okay. Next batch timings not decided, not date also not decided. It takes time. Okay. Again, next batch when it will be, that is not decided. That is you have to contact admin only, otherwise office. Okay. 1 week. Yeah, if it is there, I'll inform. Next, string handling. Now, string handling topic. Say, these many classes, we didn't use strings. You observe, I didn't use strings. Now you're learning. Because if you want to use string, library compulsory. That is the reason we didn't use. Okay. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen. String handling. No, don't. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings in Java. First one, java.lang.string. Second one, java.lang.string buffer. Third one, java.lang.string builder. Fourth one, java.util.string tokenizer. Some more classes also came. String writer, string joiner. New classes came. Later you'll see new features. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings in Java. There are 4 string related classes to handle strings in Java. Java.lang.string, java.lang.string buffer, java.lang.string builder, java.util.string tokenizer. Now, string handling. If you want to perform any operation on strings, there are 4 classes. Recently, some more classes added. String joiner, string writer classes. Further, you will see new features category. Okay. Now, present 4 classes, old features you will see. Later, new feature time I'll explain. Now, string handling. If you want to handle string, 4 classes are there. Handling nothing but performing operations on string, counting number of characters, counting number of words, and converting into capital letter, converting into small letter, starting with, ending with, or substrings. Many operations we can perform. Those all, if you want to perform, predefined methods required. Those methods are available in classes. Classes are available in packages. So that information, if you know, you can write the program. Suppose you want to count the number of words. No need to write logic. Already is there. already prepared. That method you have to call. But that method in which class, that class in which package, you should know. That purpose you will learn. Okay. But before going to this one, about strings, some information I have to provide. That is I'll give. A sequence of characters is called as string. A sequence of characters is called as string. Here character can be a letter, nothing but alphabet, comma digit, comma special symbol, or white space character. White space. A sequence of characters is called as string. Here character can be a letter, digit, special symbol, or white space. See, you already studied how many categories of literals are there? 6. What are those? Integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals, Boolean literals, object literals. Okay. Now, suppose if I write this one, it is which literal? Integer literal. If I write like this, floating point literal. If I write like this, character literal. If I write like this, if I write like this, if I write like this, 6 categories of literals. It is integer literal, it is floating point literal, it is character literal, it is string literal, it is Boolean literal, it is object literal. Now, I'll write another way. Now give me answer. Okay. Now, this is which literal? Which literal? String literal. It is string literal. Which literal? Which literal? Which literal? Which literal? Which literal? That is error. Okay. 2 letters you cannot write. So this is not valid. 1 digit you can write, 1 space you can write, 1 special symbol you can write. But 2 more than 1 if you want, compulsory double quotes. Okay, like that required. Now, here, this is string. This is one concept is there in Java. It is itself object. It is itself object. But remaining all not objects. Only string it literal object. This object literal also not object. But string literal is object. That is you should know. That is somewhat special in Java. Note down. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Every string literal itself an object of string class. Suppose I'll write like this. Okay. I'll write like this. Think yourself and give me answer. First one, second one. Both are same or different? Now, actually, class means you have to create object like this, no? Class means object you have to create like this. Now, here one constructor called parameter constructor. No. Think yourself, both are same or different? Same or different? Same? Here, just now you learned one point. Every string literal itself an object of string class. In this line, this is object. Okay? In this line, this is object. But new constructor means one more object created. No? So, not same. Both are different. In here, how many objects are there? One. Here, how many objects are there? Two objects are there. Welcome itself one object. New constructor means one object created. Not same. Lot of difference is there. Okay? Not same. Lot of difference. Now, one more thing. Integer x equal to 10. These two same or different? Same or different? No. Here, what is string? What is string? Class. What is S? Object reference. Here, what is hello? Object. Here, what is int? Data type. What is X? Variable. What is 10? Literal. Can I call it is data type? Yes or no? Yes. Every class is data type only. Can I call variable? Can I call literal? Yes. Can I call class? No. Can I call object reference? Can I call object? No. Now, is it primitive type variable or reference type variable? What is that? Reference type variable. This is, you already studied. Primitive type variable, what it contains? What is called? Data. Reference type variable. So, what X contains? Data. Nothing but what S contains? Hash code. Not hello. Hash code. If I print X, what will be the output? 10. If I print S, not hash code, hello print. That is only confusion. That is, I have to explain. For this, minimum half an hour required. Why we are getting hello? Actually, what it contains? Hash code. It contains hash code, but if I print hello prints, except string, remaining all same. Hash code printed. Like string handling wrapper classes, that is related. Wrapper class also will print data. But how? If S contains hash code, if I print S, hello printed. How? Half an hour lecture record. We'll see tomorrow. Okay.